Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, today we can learn about speaking. Today we can learn about speaking, and then I already bring some text text that talking about the conversation between the two persons. It is Jake and James, and then they are talking or discussing about exam results. Yeah, discussing results. Yeah, okay. They are discussing about exam result. There is two persons. Yeah, the main actor from my conversation, that is Jake and James. Yeah. For that, I want to order one of you to become James. Yeah, one of you to become James, and I'm gonna be Jake. Yeah, so we're gonna do some conversation between us with my text. Okay? Okay. You can hand it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start from my conversation. Okay. Oh, hi Jake. How it's going?
Alright, not really.
Have you got your exam results?
Yeah,
How did you do?
alright. I mean, it could have been worse.
But
I don't know exactly. I like history and language. I got an A in French.
that's great. Maybe it will be better for you to do something like that at uni.
Even if I get the grades I need in maths and science, I'm still not convinced about doing medicine.
Will you have many talents, Jake? But maybe being a doctor is not for you.
No, it's not. Although my parents aren't going to be happy.
Well, you need to make the right decision for you. Even though they might not like it.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe I should talk to them.
You never know. They might be more understanding than you think.
Yeah. Wow. Thanks, James. Anyway, how are you?
Okay. Yeah. From this conversation, we know that with the two person between James and Jack is discussing about exam results. We can improve our speaking. Yeah. The best action that we can improve our speaking skills is by making some conversation between me and my friend, or between you and your friend. Yeah. With speaking, we make about conversation. When we make conversation with our friend, the speaking skills is become more good than before. So why do I order you to make some conversation with me? Between the student and me, we make some conversation because it growing our speaking skills. Yeah. Because the best action that can improve the speaking skills is by making some conversation. Okay. Okay, before we already talk about some conversation about discussing exam results. Okay, I am gonna ask you some question. Yeah, based on the conversation. Okay, the first. Jake's grades in maths and science were good enough to get into university. Is it true or false?
That is true.
Okay, good. That is true. Jake really wants to study medicine at university. It is true or false?
False.
Okay. Jake likes history and languages. It is true or false?
True.
Okay, good. True. Jake did badly in the French exam. Is it true or false?
True.
Okay, good. Yeah, to different between James and Jake. Yeah. Until here we know different between them. So when we know or we can describe the difference between them, so we already know the best skill for speaking. Yeah. Okay. Enough for me. Maybe I gonna give you some homework. You can make some conversation, yeah, between you and your friend to improving or to growing your skills in speaking. Yeah. The title is at the kitchen. Yeah. I want you to make some conversation between you and your friend, and the title is at the kitchen. Yeah. And then in the next meeting, I gonna order you to come forward with your friend to make some conversation with at the kitchen title. Okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe enough for me. Let's close by
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Maybe enough for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi